In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the MS Gaming overlay pop-up message on Windows 11. You're most likely getting this error message after you've removed the Xbox Game Bar, likely with a third-party application or a command prompt. Now, the first thing we need to do is open up the search bar and type in Windows PowerShell and right-click that and click Run as Administrator. What we're going to do is 2 registry edits using PowerShell rather than having to manually do them ourselves, which can be a bit of a pain. Rather than writing these out, I'm going to paste this in the description so you can copy and paste it just like I have done here. And then you press enter. As you can see, the operation completed successfully. And for the next one, paste it again, and then we press enter. And as you can see, the operation completed successfully. This fixed it for me. Hopefully it fixes it for you as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.